Welcome back everyone to Downtown Toyota, and we're here to get your ride ready for summer. Let's talk about some detailing and taking care and putting some love into that car. Let's go. So here we are in the Autoplex in our detailing department. As you can see, we have multiple detailing bays cleaning many various models and makes. Here's one of our brand new 2026 RAV4s. We want to make sure that you know that you can get your vehicle detailed here. We are part of the Toyota Touch program, and if you don't know what the Toyota Touch program is, we're going to go through some of the packages that are offered through Toyota Touch. You can book your vehicle's detailing through our service department. Ask any one of our service advisors, whether you're coming in for your regular routine maintenance or you'd like to just get that car spruced up and ready for that Sunday drive. We're here to serve that purpose. The benefits of getting that vehicle detailed with us is that we have a meticulous crew that goes through these vehicles top to bottom. So we have many services to offer through our Toyota Touch program, starting with our deluxe package. Their basic cleanup for the vehicle. If you're regularly cleaning that vehicle, a deluxe will do a great job at maintaining the cleanliness of your vehicle, doing the simple basic wash and vac, cleaning up the glass, wiping down the dash from the counter. Next from there, we got a premium detail, taking from what's done in the deluxe, but also getting rid of those stubborn stains, spot cleaning on the interior, making sure that the seats, the glass, everything looks great again for you. And then of course, we have the ultimate package that goes through the car top to bottom, full leather treatment and full paint correction on the vehicle. If you really want to get that car looking brand new again, the ultimate is the way to go. Detailing your vehicle with us, we're making sure that we're using the Toyota Touch products. So these are quality products that are gonna get rid of and get that vehicle looking brand new again. Living downtown in the core, it's hard to, one, just clean your car if you don't have the space, and two, to get all those chemicals together and putting your, your cleaning products together to clean your vehicle. It's hard to do that. Let us do the hard work. Let us do the dirty work and get that car looking great for you, so it smells great, feels great, and you can just get in and drive again. Here at Downtown Toyota, we see all kinds of makes and models, down from your Corollas, your RAV4s, your Highlanders, to even something a little bit more rare and special like this beautiful Land Cruiser over here. It doesn't matter what you drive, we want to clean it all. We want to make that car look beautiful for you. We want you to see the beauty of Toyota. So anything from the basic cleaning as I mentioned, but even to restore that paint and finish, we can get that car looking great again. From 3-stage buffing, getting that paint restored back to its factory finish, and even adding products like ceramic coating to get that car really looking sharp. Ceramic coating really brings out the paint and the shine of the paint, and the most important, protects that paint for years to come. So it keeps that shine and it keeps the paint and dirt repelling off the vehicle. So while we're all excited that summer is finally here and we can get those rides out, don't forget how harsh that winter was. And actually, don't forget how harsh the summer can be, because just as much as the winter weather is, our summers are pretty hot and pretty intense. We want to make sure and clean those cars up, but also protect, preserve that Toyota for you and make sure it's serving you for years to come. So be sure to call your service advisor, explain to them you want to get that vehicle detailed. They'll be happy to go through all the detailing packages, the deluxe, premium, and ultimate, and we'll get that car looking brand new again for you. This is Jalona Singh from Downtown Toyota. If you like this content, be sure to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.